Good morning, students. Today we will do the second chapter of SS, that is motions of the earth. Okay. So, as we know that there are two type of motion of the earth. First is rotation and second one is revolution. Okay. There are two type of motion. First is rotation and second one is revolution. Now we all know that earth rotates on its axis. Earth जो है वो अपनी axis पर rotate करती है. So moving on its axis is known as rotation. When earth is moving on its axis, it's known as rotation. I will show you the picture. You can see here, see. This is the sun in the center and the earth and the moon. Okay. So earth is rotating in its axis. When earth rotating in its axis, it is known as rotation. Okay. And second is revolution. Second is revolution. Now when earth is revoluting on its imaginary orbit, you can see this white line, you can see this white line, see this white line. This is the imaginary line called orbit. When earth is rotating, when earth is revoluting in this line, this is known as revolution. Okay. So by this you will got to know more that for rotation, earth takes 24 hours, that means 1 day. And for revolution, earth takes 365 days, that means 1 year. Okay. Now, when earth is rotating, day and night change. Okay. When earth is rotating, day and night change. Because why this happens? Why day and night change when earth is rotating? The face of the earth which facing the sun. See, earth का जो face, earth का जो part sun को face कर रहा है. At that time there will be day and the opposite there will be night. Okay. The part of the earth which is facing the sun, there will be day and the opposite there will be night. And when earth is revoluting, the seasons change. Okay. Seasons change. Spring, summer, winter, rainy season. When earth is revoluting around the sun, the seasons change, and when earth is rotating on its axis, the day and night change. Okay. This is the basic concept of this chapter which we have to learn. Now when earth is rotating, the speed of the earth is 1670 kilometers per hour. 1670 kilometers per hour. Okay. You can see this figure here. The part of the earth which facing the sun is having day and the opposite part is having night. Okay. The part which facing sun, earth का जो part sun को face कर रहा है, जो sun की तरफ है, at that time there will be day and the opposite part is having night. Okay. I am repeating this thing once, that earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Okay. Next is revolution. As I show you in the picture that earth takes total 365 days to complete one revolution around the sun. Okay. And the speed in which earth revolves around the sun is 1780 kilometers per hour. It's approximately 1780 kilometers per hour. Okay. And the orbit of the earth is not round but oval. The orbit, see, the orbit in which earth revolves around the sun, this imaginary line, this is not in round shape, this is oval shape. Okay. This is oval shape. So when earth is revolving around the sun, the seasons change. Okay. The seasons change. Yeah. Next thing. Okay, we have already discussed this varying length of day and night. When the part of the earth is facing sun, it is day and the opposite it is night. And season. Now how the season change? See in this chart. Earth is revolving around the sun. See, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. What here written is 22nd December is the shortest day. Why shortest day? Because the heat of the sun which faces the earth is very लो, इज वेरी लो, ओके। जितनी भी हीट आती है सन की अर्थ पर वो बहुत कम पार्ट पर आती है और बहुत कम आती है, बिकॉज जो अर्थ है वो सन से थोड़ा दूर हो जाता है, इसलिए सबसे शॉर्टेस्ट डे होता है ऑन 22nd ऑफ डिसम्बर। ऑपोजिट हैपन ऑन 21st जून, इट इज द लॉन्गेस्ट डे, इट इज द लॉन्गेस्ट डे because the half part of the earth is facing the sun, that's why it is the longest day. And on March and September there are equal day and equal night. Okay, now how this season change? So when which part of the earth is facing the sun, they are having summer season, and opposite part is having winter season. Okay, the part of the earth which facing the sun, which facing the light of the sun, they are having summer season, and opposite part is having winter season. So from the period of 21st March to 21st September, it is summer season in northern hemisphere, and from the period of 21st March to 21st September, it is winter in southern hemisphere. Okay, this way the season change. Okay, so in this chapter you have to learn this much only, that how days and night change, how season change, how earth rotate and revolve around the sun. So we will revise the chapter in a short period of time, that there are two types of motion of the earth. First is rotation and second one is revolution. When earth is rotating on its axis, when earth is rotating on its axis, it is known as rotation. They all are the imaginary lines. Okay students, आपको यहाँ पे जो line दिख रही है white dotted line, they are completely imaginary lines. So when earth rotating on its axis, moving on its axis, it's known as rotation. And when earth moves around the sun on this orbit, this is orbit, okay, this white dotted line is orbit, this is known as revolution. And one more thing students, moon. See, moon is our natural satellite, okay, moon is our natural satellite, and moon rotate around the earth. Moon is not rotating around the sun, but moon is rotating around the earth. Okay, वो earth के आजू बाजू चक्कर काटता है, and moon is our natural satellite. There are many planets who have different types of satellite and huge number of satellites, but our earth is having only one satellite, that is our moon. Okay, so students, you have seen this chart, okay. So this is your chapter number 2, motions of the earth. I hope you understood the chapter. Thank you so much.